Hi there, I'm Joshua with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit on how to quick maintenance your furnace. For this, you're going to need a couple things. For this, I'm going to be using a drill to remove the faceplate off of the furnace. First thing you want to do is go to the electrical box and make sure that you shut the power off to your furnace, because there's a lot of voltage going on in there and you want to make sure that that's down so you don't have an accident. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the faceplate. With the faceplate off, you want to make sure that you aren't moving wires around, because that could cause an electrical fire or an accident. So what you're looking for in here is to make sure that no insulation is sticking down and contacting any of the connectors that cause a big hazard. Another thing is cobwebs or dust. Make sure that this is nice and clean in here. It's one way to troubleshoot. Another thing is you have an electrical fuse right here. You want to make sure you check that, make sure it's good. If not, go ahead and replace it. I like to take the old one in to the hardware store and make sure that you get the same exact one. You want to make sure you don't put a bigger one in there. Could cause an accident. Another thing you want to do is go ahead and check all your filters. Make sure that they aren't clogged with dust. If they're clogged with dust, it'll put dust through the system. It'll hit your coils. It'll create a really nasty smell that you might smell for a really long time if it gets through there real bad. Now let's say you do have a burnt wire. What I like to do is go ahead and take a picture with your cell phone. That way you can always have a reference of where those wires actually went. You can take this to the hardware store. Make sure that you have both sides to it. That way they can match the same gauge wire and terminal ends. That way you can come back, plop it right into place, fire up your furnace. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and thanks for watching.